It's a little junkyard boat. Got it running. Needs a little carb work. Needs some floor patches. Not patches, but we just run it the way it is. Nice little boat. And we got the other little cruiser, MFG 64. Uncle Sam, standing tall. Put the top on last night. Slept out there in the river. It's not bad. This one we went 30 miles. Center City yesterday. 6 gallons of gas. This one we went like 2 miles yesterday. Same amount of gas. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. The car battery for the car. We can't go to the store without the car battery for the car.